Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the DHgate app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here of apps, you will search about the application of each DHgate like this. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. As you see, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.